Hello guys, now let's watch this video.
Guitars. I'm about to give it to you in a style like this. Here's a signal with the fireworks band from Jamaica. Representing my culture. Representing all different genres. Sometimes I don't get enough time and enough money to do this shit. But it's the fans, I love you. Level. Palm is sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. It is vomit on his sweater already. Man spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. Body keeps on forgetting, body roll down. Whole club goes so loud. Whole benches mouth, both the birds hold them out. Choking out, everybody's hoping now. Clocks run out, time's up, over now. Stop now, to reality, all because gravity. No fuse, no have the breeze, but them have the grades. Picture this and try to see it when you flip the beers. These are the fucking times. Sleep on some plenty of the times. Someone call on Jesus and then come with the crimes. Everybody like this, like this, like this, like this. Those are the fucking dudes. Then, never your friend, I want your fucking food. Then, we're the fucking it's like we need a rating. These are the fucking years. You can't just police on the fucking years. I'm riding on the streets for the fucking years. Don't listen to me. Never be on the same shit. Different girl, same thing. Different clothes, same skin. Different jokes, same shit. Same things in different ways. With different messages. Reaching out to everyone in a different community. These are the fucking things. Like a fucking DJ on a fucking scene. Gotta let your bread, gotta keep your head up. Focus and keep all your head up. Gotta let your bread, yes.
Thank you very much for watching. If you like, comment and share.